Hi, today we are going to learn how to build up a frequently asked questions knowledge base on your WordPress site using ChatGPT. To integrate ChatGPT with our plugin CMFAQ, first thing you need to do is to get an API key on the OpenAI site. You need to register and follow the instructions in order to get an API key. When the API key is obtained, you can configure the integration with the CMFAQ. Navigate to CMFAQ, Options, Plugin Options tab. Scroll down and find the section ChatGPT. Here you need to configure the following options. First, turn on the option Enable ChatGPT to activate the ChatGPT feature, then enter the API key that you obtained from OpenAI site into the corresponding field. The plugin supports two versions of ChatGPT. Using the option ChatGPT model, you can choose between GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4 Beta. The option ChatGPT AI role lets you define the role for the ChatGPT assistant to make your answers more specialized. This way, if you define the assistant as an expert in some certain area, it will generate the answers related to your main topic. The option ChatGPT prompt template allows to specify the request which the plugin will be sending to ChatGPT for getting answers. Have a note that this template must contain the placeholder question. Let's consider more detailed how the request is formed and sent to ChatGPT in order to receive an answer. The request defined in the options ChatGPT AI role and ChatGPT prompt template will be combined to generate an answer for certain specialization. The way how you define the AI role can have a huge effect of the result and generate totally different answers to the same question. When the ChatGPT AI role is set to "You are a WordPress expert", the ChatGPT will answer the question how to install a plugin in the context of WordPress plugins. But when the AI role is set to "You are a Magenta expert", ChatGPT will answer the same question how to install a plugin in the context of Magenta plugins. You can also define the maximum length of the ChatGPT reply in the corresponding option. This affects the final length of the answer. This value is set in tokens. The longer the reply, the more tokens it spends. And finally, the option ChatGPT AI temperature allows you to define how accurate the generated answer will be. This value ranges from 0 to 2. Higher values like 1.5 will make the output more random, while lower values like 0.2 will make it more focused and deterministic. When you've finished configuring the settings, click the button Save Changes at the bottom of the page. To automatically generate an answer for a needed question, navigate to CMFAQ, Add New Question. On the appearing page, just enter the question and leave the answer area empty. Choose any category and click Publish. The automatic answer will be generated. Have a note that the automatic answer can be generated only for newly created questions without manually added answers. If you don't want the plugin to generate the automatic answer to the question you create, you can disable ChatGPT for this specific case. While creating the question, find the meta box ChatGPT and check the option Disable Auto Answering by ChatGPT for this question. After the question is published, the answer area will be empty. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to build an FAQ knowledge base on your site using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching the video!